Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm going to show you how to pay using your Venmo balance. First of all you have to do is open the Venmo application on your phone. You will see this kind of interface. From here you have to open your profile from the bottom right corner. Click on me and then you have to click on settings. Once your settings are open, you have to scroll down just a bit until you see identity verification on the security tab. You have to verify your identity or else you won't be able to send or request money with your Venmo balance. So click on identity verification. All you have to do for verification, you have to tell Venmo about your date of birth, your last 4 digits of social security number, and your street address. And after you have entered all of the information, you have to click on get verified. So once you're verified, go back to the home page once again, and then you have to select on pay request on the center of the bottom of your screen, and then you have to type in the name of the person that you want to send money from your Venmo balance. After you typed in the name, on the next page you have to enter the amount of money that you want to send from your Venmo balance. For example, if I choose $10 and type in any note, for example I will make it random, just a T, and after that, as you can see, your balance can't cover the full amount because I have less than $10 in my Venmo account. But if I enter the amount lower than my Venmo balance, then I can easily send money to anyone using my Venmo balance. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.